Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will talk about situation with Virgin Galactic Holdings stock. Like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. So Virgin Galactic is trying to get out from this hole that's crushed in 2025 to this hole, and you can see it slowly, step by step, is going up. You can see uh, in the April of 2025 the lowest point like 2.33, right? But right now it is already 394. So 601 is my average entry point. I want to remind that I start to buy Virgin Galactic holding stock since 2023, so it's more than 2 years ago, and I am in minus, but I continuously buying Virgin Galactic stock in the process of crashes, and also here. So I buy here also, but now I skipping to buy because the price already goes up. And basically when the stock or crypto price is going up after my buying, I am stopping to invest, I am stopping to buy that assets, I am looking for another one. Someone may say your average entry point is here, but the price is lower than average point, so it's currently minus 34%, but it's more effective to buy here when it's crushed more and you are in lower point than this entry point, because it's make reduce the average entry point easier than when the price is coming here and you are buying here. You will affect pretty small on average entry point price. So I want to remind the all-time high of Virgin Galactic looks like here, $1,260, and when the price crushed, look, it's crushed too deep and crushed long time, pretty long time. But in my opinion this is accumulation, it's crushed with accumulation, and here is more accumulation. And what I am waiting for from Virgin Galactic holding stock, so minimum to reach $14 and then go to the $28 without stopping, and then it might go up to the, look, go to here also. I can say $64, or it's better to say $59. The next one here is $138, 190, and then go up 249. But again, here is more possible because in later you can see earlier the price crashed here and go back. I think this is a pretty strong resistance, and this resistance could be reached, but we need to be patient to see the price to this point. So again, I could be wrong. You can also stop listening to me, just think with your own brain. But in my opinion, when the price is crushing long time and the stock is under accumulation, here accumulation, I think this is special accumulation in long time and making people to capitulate and get out from Virgin Galactic stock, of course. So a lot of investors, a lot of traders are just forgot about this stock because they are not ready to wait more than 4 years or 5 years. It's hard mentally to wait long time and stay in under minus, in under minus profit. So a lot of people are selling in minus instead of buying more cheaper and reduce the average entry point to get out in plus easily, not only get out in zero. So get out in zero I don't recommend because it's easy to get out zero. So a lot of investors may reduce their average entry point buying continuously to go to the zero and get out from it and invest in other things. And then when the price will go up to the $100, they will regret that they sold and get out. Of course, it's working like that. The first thing is crushing, making people to just get out and forget about this stock, and then when the price is going up, they will buy it again and saying it is our future. Of course, in on the high, the positive news will be about Virgin Galactic. You can open the Yahoo Finance when the price will be here like or something like here, already reaching $153. The positive news will a lot of about Virgin Galactic that it's time to buy, it's time to invest, and it may means already it's time to get out, not to buy. So if you when you invest it at under $3 and price is reaching here at $143, it's already no need to be greedy. So you are start selling based on your goals, based on your strategy. Um, Being greedy, it is a not good idea, because greedy it means you could become poor, because when you are greedy and you think that the price will continue go up and price start crashing and go down minus 50% in one day, you could regret that I why I didn't sell on time, why I greed, why I think that the growing will be continue in unlimited without limit. The same thing for crush. People think that the crush will continue the unlimited without stopping, but the crush is actually also happening the same. It's going to crush. Yes, it's going to crush long time. It could continue crush, but it cannot be unlimited. So in some cases, yes, companies become scam and delisting from the exchanges, stock exchanges, and in that case, um, yes, it becomes scam. But when you are diversifying your portfolio, you are not worried about which company becomes scam, because you have a lot of companies on the bottom when you are buying. My strategy, my way is to buy in crashes, to buy company in the bottom that is not get started to grow yet, and it's even update hits the lowest all-time low point. So I prefer to buy stocks and crypto with all-time low price or lower to all-time low, or maybe update of lower all-time low. Okay, I try to explain you clearly and simply to understand the main thing that I want to give you to earn money in long-term investment. Actually, I don't understand uh, short-term trading, CFDs, that is contract between difference or something like futures trading in cryptocurrency. When you are not using spot, instead of using spot, you are entering into the futures hoping that to get rich quickly, and a lot of people are doing that thing. Maybe 1% are earning money because they are already professional, but even professionals could lose money. Look, for example, this fundamental and ecosystem crypto coin. Look how much it crushed. Look, it crushed to the 000, right? Look, here it's crushed 000. So who open position in futures too long, they already liquidated. But who bought and invest in spot, so they just see temporary minus and go back here. Yes, it's even minus, let's measure, for example, minus 28% of correction. No problem, you can invest and buy in spot and you reduce your entry point, your average entry point. This is opportunity to invest and reduce your average point when you, if your entry point here, okay, you can reduce it, and you will be a big winner when the price will go and reach the all-time high, like $44 minimum from Atom Cosmos. Of course, a lot of people are not believe that the price could go up after crashing long time, but you can see since 2022 to 2025, it's 3 years of accumulation, over 3 years in accumulation, and people already tired to hold and wait when the crypto coin will start growing. But I want to show you another example. Look on Zcash. It's crashed since 2022 and long time in accumulation. It's boring. A lot of people are get out, and then Zcash goes and reach to the all-time high and higher than the high of 2021, and we can see it's reached this high. And what is the next one here is like the high of 2018. It's possible in my opinion. So but it is already too late to buy. So what is the main thing? You need to buy in the process of crash, in the process of the lowest point, in the process of all time low, to get the maximum profit, to reduce your average entry point. Not now, but a lot of people are jumping into the FOMO. You can see it's strong buy and people buying in extreme greed, and it is a big mistake that people are making. Maybe someone, maybe if the price will go up like here, you could earn 108%. Someone will say it's big profit in crypto market in general. But what I could say, who invested here and prices here, or they could already reach 2600% of profit. But when the price will go up, look, imagine here, it will be 5413%. So is it making sense to risk your money, to risk your investment for just 108% of profit? Absolutely not. Not. It's not good idea. It's not a good idea. But a lot of people will continue doing that. Continue, of course, of course. Look to the Dash cryptocurrency is crashed since 2021 and long time. You can see it looks like boring. Yes, in momentum pump, someone sold here and earned money, and then we can see the gain is started. It come to here and it's touched to the resistance level. In this time it could be crushed or just escape these resistance levels and go up to reach this all-time high of 2021 and then reach to the all-time high of 2018. You can see all-time high is $1,585, but right now it's still $72. But it's not a good idea to jump here because it's already grid and it could be crushed. And the second one, your profit will not be like when you enter at $20 price. So I already explained you. Now it's extreme greed and the price is touched to the resistance level and it's danger and it could be crushed. But maybe price could go up and just no stopping. Okay, this is about example of Dash. So what could you buy in crypto, for example? Starknet, for example. Look, it's globally on the bottom. Even today, plus 8%, almost 9%. But it is a not mistake to buy because this coin is still not get out from this accumulation level. So you can buy Zcash, why not? Use this opportunity to buy before it's too late. Before it's become like Zcash or go to the 100x profit could like. Why not? You can also buy Blast coin. It's also another example. Blast is globally and locally on the bottom, on the all-time low, and I like to buy stocks and crypto like all-time low. And you can see this is accumulation and the high volume, and this is your opportunity to invest before while others fear to buy. avoid buying and think that this is scam, this is bullshit. But even so, you could earn more than 1000%. It will be like, look how much could you earn. Let's update these data here because the price already crashed after my making video, and you can earn minimum 1916%, and then think about higher point. So this is example of crypto like blast compound, and this is also long time accumulation is boring. The price on the bottom $35, and the all-time high is look, the all-time high of 2021, it is $912, and so you are buying at 35 and you are selling at $900. Why not? This is your chance, your opportunity. But you need only one thing: be patient and act against the crowd, like opposite. When analytics or experts analysis are saying it's time to sell because it's not growing, it's not going up, you are doing the opposite, you're buying. Now let's see the stocks like Oklo stock. Look, so listing in 2021, and look, here is a pretty small volatility, right? Look, small volatility, go up, in momentum go up to the here at $18, just from $9 to go x2 profit, and then go to the crash and to the $6. Yes, it's crashed in during just 6 months only, and then the price from the $5 go to the $132. But how it go? Look, it go up and staying here long time, it's boring, then go up again here, and then crash more than 50%. Look, here is a crash more than minus 50%, 68% of crash, and then only go up here again, boring something, and then go up, and then boring, go up, down. Anyways, the way of the stock growing. So, but right now I don't recommend to buy Oklo because you will never earn 10,000%. So compared to the someone who invested in this diapason when it's in the all-time low. The situation with Canon stock. Look, Canon, what's going on right now? It looks like a traditional crypto when it's crashing and then go up and crash and go up. So it's already in momentum. It was been like 200%, but right now it's 100%, 98%. But in this range, I recommend, I said buy Canon stock, buy in this current price, accumulate. It's your chance, but you already missed, and plus 98%. Yeah, I could be wrong, and the price could be crashed back here, and you will get another chance to buy this stock, for example. But when the price will continue, then it will be good for those who invested on this lowest point. But it will be not good who will buy in the process of growing because it could be crushed in any time. OpenDo's technology from this lowest point, from this all-time low, like 50 cent, 52 cent, goes to the here to 1971%, and then began the boring times when the stock start crashing and just accumulation here. And there is no 100 days yet, but I think minimum 100 days to stay here, maybe until December, and then go up, or even 2,200 days, for example, more than 6 months. It could be like that. For example, Ripple XRP coin start growing in previous year in November, and then starts boring times, just accumulation, go up, accumulation, and nothing more. Just here these moments in accumulation, but this is 1 year accumulation, 1 year staying at the same place, and maybe later the price will start go up to the $7 or even $9. It could be possible. So but again, we need to have patience for it. But buying right now, it is already not making sense. Even you can see the news, a lot of news about triple XRP, that it's $2.49 is nothing, but actually the all-time low was been like here at 30 cent, and you could buy even here at 45, 50 cent. But buying right now, it's, I don't know what to say, it is not a good idea. Let's look on the Polestar automotive stock. This is also high volatile stock, and the all-time high here is $16, and then so starting 2022 it start crashing with accumulation, and you can see it's crashing but with waves of accumulation. This is all accumulation, long time. It's boring, of course it's boring, and now it is continue crushing to come to close to the all-time low. So you can buy in current price, why not? This is pretty good time to buy. So if the price will go here to the all-time low or will go lower, no problem, you can buy more before the price will go to reach its all-time high, like $16 here. Now it's good chance. A lot of people are not use that. A lot of people just avoid buying, avoid. Let's see another stock like Rigetti Computing. Let's see. Look here. Similar thing happens with Rigetti Computing. If I show just Polestar Automotive, and we can see Rigetti Computing here, all-time high in 2021, then crash. Here it looks like accumulation, crash. Looks like accumulation, and then again go up, go crash here, accumulation, go up, crash, accumulation. Look, since 2022 to 2020 to 2024 in accumulation, and then in the end of 2024 the price start to get out from its accumulation from 82 cent, or even from 41 cent, goes to the $44 to growing 100 times, 100x. But look, from here to here, 2800%, right? And then boring time has been started. Look, crush and staying here, and then slowly go up, and then go up again. It is 251 days in boring times, just going slowly, and then again come up to the $50, and in momentum it's crushed. So just examples. Look, for example, Micron technology stock. Look here, listing signs 1984, go up here and then crash to the 47 cent, accumulation here, go up here again, crash, this time in accumulation since 1984, okay, 1985 to the 1993 in accumulation, almost 10 years in accumulation, and after a while the price is going up like wow, and you can see how much it grows, like $47, and then crash, it's normal, then again go up, and it's this time to the $95. So and then it's crash, and look, since 2000 it's beginning to crash, go down like this, and then go up a little bit, go down, just staying here, accumulation. Look, long time, over 10 years, the stock is boring. Yes, from $3 to the $10, it has few time of profit just, but later the stock price goes up here and then again crash, boring, and then go up and then go up again, and here go up and go up. It could be time to sell in my opinion, because the stock is could be crash and go down, and long time it could be under crash. It has a high chance to crash right now, so it is possible based on his previous history that you can see long time of growing. Okay, and then it's long time crash. Here is long time growing, and later it could be crushed. I don't know when the crash could be started. Maybe the price will grow to the reach $300 or even $500. It no matters. I am not entering into this stock because it's already high risk stock, and it's, in my opinion, it's not a good idea to invest. It's not making sense to invest. But Virgin Galactic, you can see all time high, and it's boring long times, around 4 years already. I hope that Virgin Galactic will not stay on the bottom over 10 years, but if the price will stay on the bottom over 10 years, may I accumulate more? Just, I'm ready to wait 10 years, but I hopefully that Virgin Galactic stock will not stay here 10 years. So we can see it's progressively going up slowly and slowly. So just you need to be patient to earn one 100x profit, for example. So it is possible, but it's only possible in long time of distance. It could be happen even in 1 year, like Oklo or something, Rigetti computing. So already almost 27 minutes, so it's so 27 minutes of my video, so almost 30 minutes. But hopefully that this video is helpful for you. Maybe it's boring to listen 30 minutes to me, but I'm just decided to out of standard to make video. Look, Medifast stock, someone will say it's scam, yes, but actually in my opinion this is not scam, and this stock it survived, and this stock you can see it's accumulation in my opinion again. So I reduce my average cost price from $27 to the $24. Later I reduced it from $24 to $22. Just monthly investing in stock when the price, while the price is crashing and while the price is on the all-time low, because this is pretty good chance to have a biggest profit. The biggest profit when you are buying continuously on the bottom, on the all-time low, not in the process of growing. So I said already. Okay, what I'm waiting for from Medifast stock, for example. Let's look on here. Um, Current price $12, right? $12. Okay, let's see from here to the close this gap first. 180%, then 314%. But of course I'm not here to earn just 300% of profit. I'm waiting for the all-time high, like here, and it will be 2600%. I already made the measurement. Look, Medifast stock, this stock has been listed on NICE, and we can see the long time, the long history since 1994. Crash, it's boring, 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 and then price go up and then crash again. Here is boring time, just again go up higher than his previous high, and then crash here. Boring times, then go up here and crash at boring times, just slowly go up, slowly, but go higher than this high, and then going up to the here, and then crash the like here, and then go up to the new all-time high, like 333%. Basically, based on his history, we can see each high is higher than previous high. This high is higher than previous high. Look, this high is higher than previous high, and uh, this high is higher than this previous high. Um, so that's why I believe that the price of the Medifast stock could reach to this high or even higher, like $400 for example. And I'm waiting for from Medifast stock to reach to $100 in the worst case of scenario, because here is a resistance level and it's more than realistic, and here even $48 will be again realistic. So of course I believe that the price will reach to this high and this high based on his last history. So that's why I highly recommend this stock to accumulate on in his this all-time low of 2024 2025. So this is your chance, but you need to wait long time. I don't know how long. Maybe it left pretty small time. Maybe it will be take long to the 2026 2027. I don't know and I cannot guess, but earlier or later the price will go up. Just patient and that's it. So that is a good thing to do. Low risk, the risk only to patient. So you are not trader, you are investor for example. You are investing, you are buying and not worry. So you are buying in any crash and your average price is going down. So someone is buying in any prices like here in the process of growing, but in the process of growing it's not good idea to buy. It's better to buy in the any crashes. Price crashed here, but you are buying. Price crashed here, so you are continuing buying. It's going up here, you stop buying, and then when the price crash here, you are start buying again. That's it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being patient. If you find my video helpful, more than 30 minutes, then support me with your likes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. And now I am saying you see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Be patient and bye bye.